out of time. It's out of time. It's got to be out of time, in my opinion. What's it sound like to y'all? It's getting fuel. It is getting fuel. It's got to be getting spark or it wouldn't be firing at all, so it's getting spark. There's no vacuum leaks that I'm aware of. It looks like I got all the vacuum hose hooked up. Could be at TPS. It could be at damn, whatever the hell that's called right there, the mass airflow sensor. You know, it could be those. Although they're both new, but they don't mean shit because they're Chinese aftermarket deals. It could be this damn wire right here that I got rigged up. I have no idea where it goes. That could be the problem. I doubt it because it wouldn't even start. What I think it is I think when I put this thing back together, where I put a timing cover on it and new timing chain and timing guides. I think I got it at a time when I try to put this right here with the oil pump. I had it in time. I know as far as being a top dead center on the compression stroke, and had all my timing marks lined up where they're supposed to be. Had everything, the chain where it's supposed to be, and all that stuff. But when I put this in here and when I put that oil pump in here, it might be off half a tooth or two or something like that. I do not know, but I need to figure it out quick. So if y'all have any ideas of maybe what it might be, let me know if you don't mind. I greatly appreciate it. Come on. Thank you. Have a nice day. In and out.